Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today I wanted to share one of my favorite ways to stretch and open up the shoulder and chest, and it is a stretch that we're going to be using a foam roller for. So I had a previous video that we talked about foam rolling and what we're looking for, but just quickly, you want to have a foam roller that is long enough to go from the top of the head to the base of the pelvis or tailbone, and you want it to be nice and firm, so you don't want it to give when you actually put your body weight on it. So for this particular stretch, we're going to be working on, like I said, opening up the chest and shoulders. So you're going to lay the foam roller down kind of lengthwise on the floor, and then you're going to actually lay on the foam roller. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. So you're going to go ahead and kind of put your butt at one end, and then you're going to put your head at the other. You might have to adjust. As you can see, my whole head and my whole spine is supported here. And then here, all I want you to do is open up the chest and let gravity do the work. So you're just laying here. You can actually do some snow angels as well. The key with this is to keep the shoulders back and down and to not let those shoulders come up towards your ears, and to keep your hands on the floor, so we're not lifting them off. So this again helps to open up the chest and the shoulders and relieve any tension there. You can just lay there for several minutes. 3 to 5 is typically what I recommend. If you've got some good flexibility there and you're not feeling quite a stretch, you can add those angels that I was demonstrating as well. Again, paying attention to those shoulders not coming up towards the ears, and just keeping that hand on the ground and kind of just grazing above, thinking about making snow angels. So hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for listening. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.